Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the text-to-speech feature on TikTok. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. When the app is open, you have to tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. And now you can start recording a video. When you are done, tap on the tick icon on bottom right corner. Then tap on text from the bottom of the screen. Now type in your message. You can design the text if you want to. When you are done, tap Done and then tap on the text and you'll see the option Text to Speech and tap on that. Now tap Next on bottom right corner and then tap on Post. When the video is uploaded, you will see the text-to-speech feature in action. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.